Class 5 Subject Computer Back exercise of lesson number 1 Generations of Computers. Self-evaluation points. After reading the chapter, we know the following points. I know that first generation computers used vacuum tubes and were very slow. I know that the second generation computers used transistor. I know that the third generation computers used integrated circuit. I know that the fourth generation computers use microprocessor and are fast. I know that fifth generation computers use artificial intelligence and are very fast. Exercise 1. Tick the correct answer. A. The first generation of computers started in 1946. B. The second generation computers used transistors. C. The first commercial computer delivered to a business client was UNIVAC. D. Intel 4004 is an example of the dash computers. It is an example of fourth generation of computers. E. The fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Computer generations are categorized according to the technology of basic computing elements. B. Dash and dash are the examples of first generation computers. ENIAC and UNIVAC. So, ENIAC and UNIVAC are the examples of first generations of computers. C. The second generation computers used dash language, assembly language. So, assembly language was the language which was used in the second generations of computers. D. In the third generation computers, the transistors were replaced by integrated circuits. E. The fourth generation computers use microprocessor. So, microprocessor was the device which was used in fourth generations of computers. F. The goal of fifth generation is to develop the computers that can respond to natural language. Exercise 3. Match the following. A. Machine language. Machine language was used in first generation computers. B. Chip. Chip was used in third generation of computers. Chip is also known as integrated circuit. So third generation computers used chip. C. Multi-purpose computers. Fourth generation computers were the multi-purpose computers. These computers are not just for the calculation purpose, but they have been used for various other purposes also. The computers which we are using nowadays, they belong to the fourth generation of computers. D. IBM 140. This computer was developed in second generation of computers. E. Self-organizing. So, fifth generation computers are self-organizing computers because they uses artificial intelligence. Fourth question, fourth exercise, true and false statements. A. The first generation of computers produced a lot of heat. This is true. Why? Because first generation of computers were very bulky. They consume a lot of electricity. That is why they produced a lot of heat. So this statement is true. B. The second generation of computers used assembly language. Yes, this statement is true. C. The third generation of computers used vacuum tubes. This statement is false because the third generation computers used integrated circuits, whereas these vacuum tubes were used in the first generation of computers. D. Integrated circuits was used in fourth generation of computers. This is false because integrated circuits was used in third generation of computers. E. The fourth generation of computers uses artificial intelligence. No, this statement is not true. This is false. Fifth generation of computers use artificial intelligence. Exercise 5, question answers. These are subjective question answers which you have to write in your notebooks. A question, what do you mean by the term generation? The generation means remarkable improvement in any product. So, we can say the generation of computers means a remarkable improvement or development in the computer technology. B question, how many generations of computers are there? Write the time period of each. So children, there are 5 generation of computers and their time period. First generation was developed from 1946 to 1958. Second generation 1959 to 1964. Third generation computers 1965 to 1970. Fourth generation 1971 onwards, and the fifth generation present and beyond. See question, what is microprocessor? A microprocessor is a small chip that does all the processing in a computer. The fourth generation of computers uses microprocessor. D. Write the difference between the first and the second generation of computers. Now the difference between the first and the second generation computers in term of time period is the first generation computers was developed between 1946 to 1958, whereas second generation from 1959 to 1964. Device used in the first generation computers was vacuum tubes, whereas in the second generation transistors were used. Computer language used. The first generation computers used machine language, whereas second generation computers used assembly language. Example of the first generation of computers were ENIAC and UNIVAC, whereas example of the second generation of computers is IBM 140. E. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the development of computer system that can respond to natural language. It is the science which is concerned with making computers behave like humans. Exercise 6. Application-based question. Garima has collected the pictures of some processing devices used from the first generation computers to the fourth generation computers. But she has forgotten to write their names. The pictures are given below. Can you name them and tell her in which generation of computers each of them were used or are used? The first picture shows microprocessor, and microprocessor was used in fourth generation of computers. Second, this image is of vacuum tube, and vacuum tubes were used in first generation computers. Third, this is an integrated circuit, and integrated circuits were used in third generation of computers. And the last image, this image is of transistors, and the transistors were used in second generation of computers.